Hi, I put this camera on the floor and I'm above, so it's a strange angle. I've got to move that compost heap over there, so I'm doing something I've never done before, which often is the case with gardening, and I'm going to take it to bits. And I thought it might be an interesting video to watch a collapsing compost bin. And it's an interesting process because you put food, old vegetables and tea bags at the top, and when it settles down after 6 months or so, you get really good fertilizer. So in that box is going to be half rotting food and half fertilizer, and I've got to separate the two, move the box, and then bag up the fertilizer and put the rotting food on the bottom to keep going. Have a look. Can you see me? Okay. Oh God. Can't move it. Oh, the top comes off. Okay. That's one thing. That's the top off. And then what? Now what? I think I'll move it to one side. I'll move this fresh, rotten, some would call rotting fruit, over there. Oh yeah, it came off nice and easy. Full of creepy crawlies. Charming. Still worst. So many worms, my God. You've got to check this out. I just want to show you the worms in here. Absolutely divine. Doing lots of good work though. Okay, now I'm going to put you back on the floor. Okay, here we go, stage 2. This isn't taking very long actually. Okay, now we're at the proper compost phase, I think. Get these off. That one. Two. Two. 3. And 4. There we go. Job half done. Job started. I have taken it to bits, and now I'm going to put the good stuff in bags and the bad stuff to the new compost bin. It's a job anyone can do, but would you do it? Leave a comment below. Bye.